is coordinate geometry? Coordinate geometry is one of the branch of the geometry where the position of a point is defined using the coordinates in the coordinate plane. So class, I have used two words here. One is the coordinate and another is the coordinate plane. So first of all, let's define what is coordinate plane. Coordinate plane, you can say it is a two-dimensional plane, okay, where two perpendicular lines intersect each other at some point O known as the x-axis and y-axis. So see class, here this is your coordinate plane where your two perpendicular lines, that is x-axis and the y-axis, they are intersecting at the point O, which is called the origin. Here the distance of the point from the y-axis is called the x-coordinate, or you can also say abscissa. And the distance of a point from this x-axis is called the y-coordinate, or you can say ordinate. Clear? See, as this is your x-axis. So the coordinate of the point on this x-axis will be represented by x, 0, and any point on this y-axis, that coordinates will be defined by 0, y. Now, if a point lie between these two axes, suppose A, how we will define the coordinates for this point? See, its coordinates will be given by x, y. How? See, if we make a perpendicular from A on the x-axis and on y-axis as well. Now see, this point will be x unit away from the y-axis and this point will be y units away from the x-axis. So its coordinate will be defined like this as x and y. So after these definitions, the next thing that come in your topic is the distance formula. See class, what your distance formula says to you, that if there are 2 points in the coordinate plane, say A having the coordinate x1, y1 and B having coordinate x2, y2, then the distance between these 2 points is denoted by, or you can say is given by, AB equals to under root x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Now see how this formula derives. We need not to cram the things. We must understand how the formulas come in the exam. Okay, so that in the exam we might not get confused with the formulas. Clear class? So see, suppose as 2 points are given, A and B. So let's assume 2 points A and this B, and we need to find the distance between these 2 points. So we need to do the construction. So from point A and from point B, draw the perpendicular on the x-axis, naming them M and N respectively. From point A on B end, draw another perpendicular, name it as C. Clear class? Now as we have drawn this a perpendicular, so your ABC is a right angle triangle, and we have learned one property in a right angle triangle, that Pythagoras theorem can be applied. And what does it say? That the square of the longest side is equals to the sum of the square of the other two sides. So if we will see what does your Pythagoras theorem says? AB square is equals to BC square plus CA square. But we don't know any one of the value from here. Okay, so let's find. See, your AC, it will be equals to MN. And what is your MN here? This distance is x1 and this is your x2. So what your MN will be? will be x2 minus x1. Clear class? Next, we need BC. What your BC will be? C. This is your y1 and this is your y2. It is given. See the coordinates of A and B. Okay. So your AM is y1 and your BN is y2. How you will get BC? See, your BC is, can we write BN as BC plus CN? Any problem? No. Now BC plus CN. Your CN is equals to AM. And we need to find the value of BC. So your BC will be equals to BN minus AM. What is your BN? It is Y2. And what is your AM? It is Y1. So what is your BC? It is Y2 minus Y1. Any doubt till here? Quite easy. So now putting the values of AC and BC in this equation, we will get AB. So your AB square is equals to, what is your BC? It is Y2 minus Y1 whole square plus X2 minus X1 whole square. Taking this square to the other side, it will convert into square root. Y2 minus Y1 square plus X2 minus X1 square.